Hey there, I'm Jenn Herman with Jenn's Trends, and if you're wondering if emojis count as engagement on Instagram, this is the video for you. So yes, they count. Everything counts as engagement. If someone is scrolling through their feed and they see your content and they slow down, that's a positive engagement. If they swipe through a carousel, that's a positive engagement. If they leave a comment, like the post, save it. If they share it to their story, these are all positive rankings algorithmically. They're all good behaviors for your content, and the algorithm recognizes those. Regardless of how long or what is in a comment, it counts as engagement. It can be a single emoji, it can be 4 words, 5 characters. There isn't a set expectation for what is or is not a comment. I have left comments where I leave 2 heart emojis. They count just the same as when I leave 3 sentences on somebody else's or that same person's other's content. They all count as engagement. What ends up happening is there are bad people out there who do spammy things and they copy and paste the same comment over and over again. They like too much content in a short period of time. They use tools to do fake engagement. Their accounts will get flagged, and the engagement from those accounts may get pulled off of your content. Meaning, if 38 people liked your post and that one bad spammer left a comment, okay, that one comment may get removed, it may not count, but everything else still counts. Your content is still performing the same, and you as a user can leave any comment you want as a normal, engaged user on the platform. You are not being punished for your engagement when you behave in a natural way. And the people whose content you're leaving comments on is not being punished by your behavior on their content. So leave the comments, whether you want to leave an emoji, a string of emojis, a bunch of words, a single word. It's all engagement. It all counts. And all positive interaction on your content is positive ranking algorithmically, which means your content will continue to perform better for those users. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to this channel where I'm constantly sharing more tips to answer questions just like this to make sure that you have all the success you can possibly have on Instagram. I will see you in the next video.